Hello everyone, in this session we're gonna see how we can rename a folder using UiPath Modern Activity. So this is my folder which I want to rename as report underscore with today's date in dd.mm.yyyy format. So let's go to UiPath, and first thing is we need to create two variables. So we will create first variable as folder full path and second variable as new name. In folder full path, we'll give the value, or you can say we will give the path of folder which I want to rename. So let's go to that folder, right click, copy as path, and I will directly paste it over here with the help of Control V. Now you can see it has assigned the value to this. Now in new name, I want to give my folder, or I want to rename my folder as report underscore, now use string concatenation, and datetime class dot today to get today's date, and I want to convert this date into to string with my format as dd.mm.yyyy. Okay, now I'll go to activity panel and search for rename folder. I'll drag this activity over here. Now in folder you need to give the folder path which you want to rename. So my folder path is folder full path. Okay, now my new name will be, I have created a variable called new name, so this is the new name which I want to have my folder. So I'll run my project from design ribbon and I'll run it. Now after the run, I can go to the folder and see the folder name has been changed. So this is my new folder name. Okay, so this is how you can rename a folder using UiPath Modern Activity. Thank you for being in session. We'll see you in the next session. Bye bye.